our 7-flavor soft serve ice cream machine. First off, the overall dimensions. Overall length, we have at least 32¼ inches. Depth, we have 27¼ inches. Overall height, 52½ inches tall. Removable waste tray, 7 different levers for your flavors, and for each corner is your control panel for produce, wash, stop, add, reduce, and pre-cooling. 2 functions, 2 separate corners. Top here are 4 drop bins. 4 drop bins for your ingredients, and the measurement for each drop bin will be at least 11¾ inches long, 5¾ inches in height. The depth will be 6 inches. That's the measurement for each drop bin. On the side here will be your visual diagram and further instructions on how to operate this machine. And down here will be your 110, 120 voltage outlet plug. For all questions, give us a call and visit our website, coolerdepotUSA.com, to browse and purchase our products. Thank you.